Today, using fabric or acrylic paint, I'll be showing you how to color back faded converse or rubber shoes. This video is on how to restore faded converse or rubber shoes in very simple and easy steps. All items used in the video will be linked in the description box below. Hello beautiful people, thank you for stopping by and welcome to another fun DIY episode. In case you're new here, my name is Effie and I love everything DIY, home decor, organization, art and a little lifestyle. So if that sounds like your thing, ensure you're subscribed. And in today's video, as you can tell, we are restoring shoes, transforming them from old to not just new but brand new. So without saying much, let's do this. I first started off by taping the sole area of the shoe. That is to prevent color smudges the end of the entire painting. And after that was done, I used my painting brush to make the shoe a little wet. You could do that using a spray bottle, but I didn't have one at the moment. After dampening my shoes, I just went in with the blue color, and as I said, every item used in this video will be linked in the description box below. And in case of any inquiries, I'll leave my Instagram handle so you can send me a DM and I'll get back to you, or you can leave them in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I painted black on the back side, and once that was done, I just took off the masking tape on the sole, and yes, that is how it looks. I said it looks as good as new. That is shoe number 1. For shoe number 2, I went in with the taping, and you guys can notice the inner part of shoe number 2 is white compared to the previous one, and that is why I'm also putting some masking tape on the inner side. That is to prevent color smudges. Color blends nicely, and I let it dry for 2 hours, and that is how it looks. I started with a triangular cone-like shape, as you guys can see, and the color that I'm using here is crimson red, and every item used in this video will be linked in the description box. Sort of a curve at the end using my green fabric paint. And then I went in with my yellow just on top of the green but below the red to give it a more realistic finish. And once that was done, I'm using a black paint together with my small brush to just do small strokes of what looks like melon seeds. And once that was done, that is how the shoes looked. They look as good as new, and I even did a wear test. And let me know what you think. Thank you for watching this till the end. If you enjoyed watching the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell and get notified every time I put a new video up. That's it for today. Remember to be kind and spread love. Bye guys.